Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur face on KineMaster. KineMaster offers a straightforward way to blur faces in your videos. So here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open your KineMaster application and then start up a new project. Soon after you do that, you will end up in this edit screen. Tap on the media option at the top right corner and select a video you want to edit from your device's camera roll or other sources such as Pixels or Pixabay from KineMaster. Now go ahead and select a video you want to edit. Soon after you do that, the video will be imported on the timeline. Tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and there is your video that has been imported on the screen. In order to blur a face from the video, go ahead and tap on the layer button on the top right wheel. Now click on Effect from the list. Scroll down to Basic Effects and tap on it. Inside Basic Effects, you will see two different blur options, Gaussian blur and mosaic. Select either the Gaussian blur or the mosaic blur, and once you are done, go to your preview screen and tap on the effects layer that you just added. Resize the blur effect by dragging the corners of it in the preview screen and select the part on your video that you want to blur. Since we are trying to blur faces on the video, we are going to cover up entire face by using the scaling tool. After you are done, the next thing you want to do is to adjust the duration of the effect that you want to cover up on your video, where you want to apply the effect on. Finally, preview your video by tapping on the play button on the top right. And that's how you will be able to blur out face on KineMaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.